Hey guys, let's go over the banded pull aparts, with or without band, sitting or standing, okay? So if I'm standing, same thing as when I'm sitting, arms out in front of us, arms straight. I like to sometimes have a little bend in my elbows, okay? Shoulders back and down. I don't want to be internally rotated. I want to engage my core also. Nothing wants to be loose, right? So I'm gonna pull that band apart, band to my chest, okay? Like so. With good posture, I don't want to be like this and then internally rotating that shoulder and pulling it apart. It's a bad position for my shoulders. Now, you can do this standing also, okay? I've had some people that could do one arm at a time, okay? Especially if it's hard to multitask and do both arms at the same time. But now I just did a class and half of the people didn't have a band. So either just no bands, we'll do body weights, and then I tell people to think about squeezing the back when they come back here for a second and come back nice and controlled. So this is even still good because my arms are staying up at my shoulder height, okay? So I'm really feeling that shoulder burn, keeping it up here, nice and slow and controlled. So if I don't have a band, I can do that. Also, you could use a towel, a long towel, okay? I'm gonna provide tension on that towel the whole time, but now I can't pull that towel apart, obviously, because it's not elastic. So I'm gonna keep tension there, but I'm gonna squeeze my back. So my arms are gonna come back, bend the elbows. So it's almost like the row motion, but at least I'm squeezing the back more. And this one provides a lot more burn in those shoulders, okay? So again, with adaptive fitness, it's all about movement. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? There's no perfect way of doing things. There's always good position and good form, but everyone is so different, especially with a disability, that you have to find out what works for you. But movement is the key and the most important thing, okay? So again, if you don't have a band, just keep those arms up shoulder height, nice controlled, squeeze that back when my arms come back, okay? Hopefully that helps you out.